and media professionals on the 23rd of January 2026 demand for National Assembly takeover of Rivers State House Constitution. The crisis in Rivers State has reached a point where urgent constitutional intervention is unavoidable. The Rivers State House of Assembly has lost credibility, legitimacy, and the confidence of the people. A legislature that weaponizes impeachment and disregards judicial authority cannot continue to exercise legislative powers. We therefore call on the National Assembly to immediately invoke Section 2, subsection 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which empowers it to take over the legislative functions of a State House of Assembly where prevailing circumstances make it unable to function. The situation in Rivers State clearly meets these requirements. The National Assembly has acted against peace, order, and democratic stability, exposing the state to deepening constitutional crisis. The National Assembly is constitutionally empowered and duty-bound to intervene, assume legislative functions, and restore democratic order. This rally is a call to conscience and constitutional responsibility. The National Assembly must not watch passively while democracy is undermined. Civil society, the media, and Nigerians of goodwill must stand united against legislative anarchy. We call on Nigerians to come out peacefully, occupy the APC Secretariat, and maintain civic presence around the National Assembly until decisive action is taken. We remain resolute. This is a non-stop rally. Our demand is lawful and clear. Democracy must be defended. Rivers State must not be sacrificed to political desperation. Long live Rivers State, long live Nigeria. Thank you.
To be delivered by the APC Leaders Forum addressed on Monday, 23rd January 2026, during the one-week non-stop rally to defend democracy in Rivers State. We, the APC Leaders Forum, together with concerned Rivers people and patriotic stakeholders, reaffirm our commitment to the one-week non-stop rally which commences today, Friday, 23rd January 2026, at the APC Secretariat. With sustained civic engagement directed at the National Assembly, this action is a lawful response to the recklessness and institutional breakdown currently being exhibited by the Rivers State House of Assembly in its renewed attempt to impeach Governor Siminalaye Fubara. Rivers State is sliding into a dangerous constitutional crisis. What is unfolding is no longer legislative oversight, but a clear abuse of legislative authority. Democracy is under serious threat, and silence at this point would amount to complicity. We acknowledge the principled pronouncement by the Rivers State Chief Judge, who declined to set up a probe panel and chose to respect subsisting court orders. This decision reinforces the supremacy of the law and exposes the illegality surrounding the impeachment attempt. The allegations against Governor Siminalaye Fubara are unsubstantiated and unsupported by the law or facts. No evidence of gross misconduct, as required by the Constitution, has been presented. What is obvious is a coordinated effort to destabilize Rivers State and undermine the mandate freely given by the people. The conduct of the Rivers State House of Assembly reflects procedural lawlessness, vendetta politics, and disregard for democratic stability. Such a legislature has lost moral authority and public trust. We therefore call on APC leaders at the national level to rise in defense of democracy and reject this unconstitutional impeachment plot. Despite receiving enormous benefits, the 27 lawmakers loyal to former Governor Wike, led by Martin Samuel, remain unsatisfied and confrontational. These lawmakers collected constituency project allocations estimated at about 350 million each, luxury SUV vehicles, and up to 1 year's salary in advance, yet they continue to pursue actions aimed at frustrating the sitting governor. Their conduct clearly suggests a desire to divert Rivers State resources for personal and political gain, rather than allowing public funds to be deployed for the welfare and development of Rivers people. We will not allow this to happen. The governor has shown prudence and is ready to work for the people of Rivers State, not to a few who wants Rivers State bankrupt. We will sustain this battle until our dear president sacks Wike and the National Assembly take over the legislative responsibilities of Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you very much. Amen. Engineer Ibrahim Danjuma, National Leader.
I just